Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today I would like to speak about 3 years LLB course under Karnataka State Law University, Hubli. Many of the students have been confused about optional subject which need to select, especially that optional subjects will be available in the fourth semester, fifth semester, and sixth semester. So, initially, 3 semesters, first semester, second semester, and third semester, you will not have any optional subject. From fourth semester onwards, you will have a optional subjects. Which one we need to choose? That is, our students have been confused, and in my YouTube channel, many of the students have been raised this question about. Please make video on optional subject. Which subject we need to choose in the fourth semester, fifth semester, and sixth semester. So in this video, I need to brief about entire LLB course from first semester to sixth semester. In between, I would like to tell about which subject you need to choose as an optional. So we'll start from first semester. My dear friends, in first semester, you will have 6 subjects. 6 subjects. English is an optional subject. How it should be means, if you are writing in English medium, you need not to write, English subject. So overall writing in Kannada medium, overall writing. Once again I repeat, overall writing in Kannada medium, for them English subject is mandatory to write in the first semester. In the first semester, you will have Constitutional Law 1, Contract 1, Law of Torts, Family Law or Hindu Law 1, Criminal Law 1 or Indian Penal Code. Next, English subject is for overall writing Kannada medium students. Overall writing English medium students, for them it is not required to write English subject. Then we'll go for second semester. In second semester, you will have Constitutional Law 2, Contract Law 2, Labor Law 1, Property Law, Family Law or Mohammedan Law 2. Next, Kanunu Kannada or Kannada Kali. Here, Kanunu Kannada, overall writing English medium, this Kanunu Kannada or Kannada Kali. For Kannada Kali, overall coming from outside, from the Karnataka, what do you call, if you give an example for Andhra Pradesh, Kerala students, Tamil Nadu students, like that, they have to write Kannada Kali, and overall belongs to Karnataka, overall writing, Kannadigas, English medium, for them it is mandatorily write Kanunu Kannada. One subject. You will have 6 subjects in the second semester. Then we will move to third semester. In third semester, you will have 5 subjects. All subjects are mandatory. First is Jurisprudence. Second is Labor Law 2, Law of Taxation, Criminal Law 2, Administrative Law. So this is the third semester. You will have 5 subjects. Everyone has to write all 5 subjects. Then we'll move on to fourth semester. In the fourth semester, you will have 5 subjects. Among you will have 2 practical subjects. I will tell what all to be covered in the practical examinations. You will have 2 optional subjects, that also. One, Public International Law. This is common subject for all. Then second is optional one, Human Rights Law and practice or insurance law. So my dear friends, here optional subject. Many of the students have been confused about which one to choose. Sometimes in colleges itself they may decide for optional subject because the optional subjects will be depend on faculties are available in the colleges. Sometimes they may not have the faculties for optional subject. In that time they will prefer to write LLB examination what they preferred respective colleges. So sometimes you may not get optional overall principal advice, whatever principal advice you have to accept it. So sometimes they may give choice to select. From that time you can choose instead of human rights law as per my view and my thoughts. Here I would like to say, while choosing optional subjects, some students have good at human rights law, some students have good at insurance law. That is your mindset, which one you to prefer. As per my views and my thoughts, if you take insurance law compared to human rights law, insurance law is a easy subject. You can choose my view and my thoughts, and your thoughts and your views, I don't know, you prefer as you need and as you like. Okay, then next optional 2, banking law, right to information. According to my view and my thoughts, banking law is easy compared to right to information. So banking law you can able to prefer. That also your mindset. Overall study the BCom, for them banking law it's very easy. Overall not studied BCom, overall studied BSc or BA, for them it is little difficult banking law. Right to information, overall done BA, for them it is easy. So here also that is your mindset and that is your choice, what would like to. As per my view and my thoughts, you can choose banking law. Then next, practical subjects, clinical course 1, clinical course 2, professional ethics and professional accounting system. This is clinical course 1 and clinical course 2, alternative disputes resolution systems, ADR, ADR, what we call it, short abbreviation ADR. So clinic 1, clinic 2, they will, for this clinical course especially, your principal will be guide you surely. So as per principal advice or as per your lecturer's advice, you can able to perform these clinical course 1 and clinical course 2. Then we'll move on to 5th semester. In 5th semester, we will have 5 subjects. Among 5 subjects, we'll have one practical subject, what do you call clinical course 3. So we'll come to in the 5th semester, we will have company law. This is common subject for all. There is no elective subject for this. Then second one is Civil Procedure Code and Limitation Act. This one also common for all. Everyone has to write this subject. Then third is optional 3, what do you call intellectual property rights 1, penology and victimology. Here, as per my view and my thoughts, intellectual property rights 1 is easy subject compared to penology and victimology. Here also I would like to suggest to all KSLU students that which one you choose and which one you like, that you prefer. Some people they may have very good at intellectual property rights. Some people they much have interested about what do you call penology and victimology. So you can prefer, as per my view and my thoughts, intellectual property rights 1 is this is the easiest subject compared to penology and victimology. Then we'll next optional 4, interpretation of statutes and principle of legislation and competition law. As per my view and my thoughts, IOS, interpretation of statutes, is tough subject than what do you call competition law. So you can choose competition law. Interpretation of statutes is little difficult. It's like jurisprudence, what do you call, we can say it as jurisprudence 2, we can call it as. interpretation of statutes is little difficult than what do you call competition law. Then clinical course 3, this is called drafting, pleading and conveyance. Drafting, pleading, conveyance, your college, respective college lecturers or principal will guide you how to do it and how to perform it, clinical course 3. So you can able to contact your principal or lecturers. So we'll come to sixth semester. Sixth semester will have 5 subjects, my dear friends. Among 5 subjects, we'll have a practical subject, what you call clinical course 4. Law of evidence is common subject for all, and environmental law, this is also common subject for all. Optional 4 and optional 5 and optional 4. In optional 5, intellectual property right to white collar crimes. Who have been taken intellectual property rights 1, that you need to prefer intellectual property rights 2, because this is a continuous from intellectual property rights 1 to intellectual property right 2. So that is the reason what you have to do is who have been taken in the fifth semester who have been taken intellectual property rights 1, they can able to take it intellectual property rights. Who have not been taken, that you can prefer white collar crimes. So the next optional 4 subject, interpretation of optional 4, land law and law relating to international trade economics. Land law, Karnataka land law, it will be there. I think compared land law is little difficult rather than law relating to international trade economics. So here also the same, I would like to say, who have been completed BCom, for them it is very easy. What do you call law relating to international trade economics, for them it is easy. Who have been done degree means in the BA, who have been done, for them land law is very easy. That also your mindset, that which one you like and which one you like to prefer. And sometimes college may also decide, because they don't have faculties to teach the respective subjects. So meantime, you can please contact your respective colleges staff, and as well as you can prefer as you like. So in my views, I have told, it doesn't mean that you have to take it those subjects, whichever you prefer and whichever you interested, that you prefer. This is all about 3 years LLB, all semester 1, semester 2, semester 3, semester 4, semester 5, semester 6. So I hope this video I have been clarified about all about your 3 years LLB course under Karnataka State Law University. In this video, I have been clarified about which one to choose or which one to prefer as an optional subjects in 4th semester and 5th semester and 6th semester. I hope this video have been clarified all about your doubts. So please do subscribe my channel Anil Kumar KT, so that you will notified very good videos pertains to your LLB course, what do you call 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB, especially under Karnataka State Law University. Thank you.